Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we are doing single-player Dragon-type training event, and we're doing very hard a tornado of sand. We're home, there's ice on my knee, I hope this recovers well. Anyway, this is very hard. Let's do this. A tornado.
You honestly think you can beat me?
Of ice? Was it of ice? I forgot. I immediately forgot, my goodness.
Now, let's go. Now, let's do it.
Anyway, Draco Meteor. Let's just kill the opponent as fast as we could. That's weak. That is weak. That was weak. Let's leave attacking to Rayquaza. Draco Meteor. Is it Draco or Draco? I used to pronounce that as Draco, but I changed it to Draco. So I don't know. I leave attacking to Zinnia. Zinnia, come on, attack. Draco Meteor. And let's just use a sync move.
I let my guard down.
And if in case it doesn't die, let's just kill him.
I'm really gonna let loose. Let's go.
And he's dead. 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 And that is it. That was very hard. I forgot the Gumi evolution line, guys. Let me just... Gumi, Gudra... Who's the last one? Gudra's the last one, right? I forgot. Let me just research. Anyway.
Yay! I'm a little bit stronger.
Gumi. My internet is very slow. Come on, load. Anyway, Gumi, Sliggoo. Oh, it's Sliggoo in the middle. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this a thumbs up. A tornado of sand, not ice. What the heck am I saying? And I'll see you guys in super hard and the next video. Like this video, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe. I'll see you guys in Dragon of the Deep Sea. Rawr.